Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're going to act now. Update the Gmail app and the device OS so you eliminate version conflicts. Once done, confirm a stable network. Switch Wi-Fi off and on or toggle airplane mode to refresh connectivity. Next, open Gmail settings, select your account, and make sure sync is enabled. This clears many basic causes. If sync is already on, disable it, wait 5 seconds, and re-enable it so the account re-registers with Google servers. Now dig deeper. Go to Google account settings and re-authenticate. Enter your password or complete 2-step verification to renew active tokens. Make sure device storage has room. Low storage can prevent background sync, so free at least 100 MB and clear the Gmail app cache. Then open Gmail sync settings, set an appropriate sync period, and ensure important labels are selected for sync. These steps address credential or quota problems that stop mail from updating regularly. Finish with targeted remedies. Remove the Gmail account from the device and add it back. This refreshes tokens and server settings. If that doesn't work, reset app preferences or perform a network settings reset. These restore defaults without erasing personal files. Once re-added, force a manual sync and open Gmail to confirm new mail arrives. If problems persist, test Gmail on the web. If web works, it's a device issue. If not, contact Google support. One key tip: replicate the issue on another device before deep resets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.